traveling a lot here in South Florida. So anyway, enjoy Florida, right? Thank you. Let's go ahead.
I'm gonna fight them out.
What's up, bro? That's Wynwood Wall in downtown Miami. So you can see around me a lot of arts. People usually come here to take some photo or record some video. Look this one here. Strong recommend you come here. You can find a lot of arts. You can buy a picture inside the gallery. Look this one here. It's beautiful, right? Look this one here. That's big, man. Oh, that's the gallery. You see? I'm gonna show you here, guys. Look at that. Look this one here. I like this one here. Yeah, take a look this one here. That's a beautiful place. I like places like that, man. So I wanna go. Hey, please do me a favor. Let me know which place that I have to visit in South Florida. Comment below here. I wanna see, alright? I wanna go there. So look it up, this one here. Deerfield, alright? I'm in Deerfield right now. Look the kids. They play good. They do so good, man. You see here? Nice place, man. You like it? Look it up. If you type down your GPS, International Fish Pier, you're gonna get this place here, right? You're gonna get easy, alright? So, look it up here again. That's the ocean right here. There's a hotel right there. You can get food right here as well. Let me know which place that I have to visit in South Florida. Comment below here. I wanna see, alright? I wanna go there.